Hello friends, we are going to be making French style chicken and potato casseroles, and this specific recipe is amazingly tasty, just amazingly tasty. There is a couple of secrets how to make it super tasty, and one of them is when you build the dish and you're ready to cook it in the oven, just don't cook it yet, throw it to the refrigerator for the night, let the meat and potatoes marinate. That would be amazing, so enjoy the dish. You are cutting the chicken to white strips, and you can smash them a little bit, and I add garlic, salt, pepper and Khmeli-suneli, which is a Georgian spice. If you have it, amazing. If you don't, then put something else or whatever spices you want. The potatoes peel and cut into small circles, and the onion peel, cut in half and cut into small pieces as well. Now we are going to make the sauce. It's mayonnaise, yogurt, milk and spices, and please add curry. This will make the dish just amazingly tasty. So curry, in my opinion, is amazing in this specific sauce. Use 2/3 of the sauce on the potatoes, 1/3 on the onion. Mix together well. The sauce needs to be more on the liquid side, because we are going to use this liquid eventually. Now we are ready to construct our dish, so put a little bit of oil and then begin with half the potatoes, so layer of potatoes, then a layer of onion, half the onion, then all the chicken, then the second half of the onions, and then the second half of the potatoes. And eventually we are going to put the cheese on top, but that's after we will bake for the first time. And now advice that will make the dish amazingly tasty. Don't put it in the oven, cover it with a film, put it to the night in the refrigerator, and only then bake it. Okay, so now we are ready to bake, and the third advice how to make the dish amazingly tasty: bake it in a couple of steps. So the first step, 190 degrees, 375 Fahrenheit for 55 minutes in aluminum foil. Then another 15 minutes on same temperature without aluminum foil. And then when we take it out, there is a lot of liquid. We take a spoon, all this liquid we pour back on the potatoes, and put cheese on top and bake for another 5 to 15 minutes on the maximum temperature. My oven is 250 degrees, but for this step you need to be near the oven and you need to watch it, because it's a high temperature, it can burn. So if you follow all the steps, you will get an amazing casserole. It will be just amazingly tasty. So if you have the power to make this dish, it's not the easiest, do it, you will enjoy it.